Hello, today we are going to start by going over some vocabulary and then we're going to move on to doing some activities. These are activities that you can do at home if you've got the materials and permission. They're all fairly simple to do. Okay, so starting with the vocabulary, we talked about waves. A wave is a disturbance that transmits energy. Okay, they had a picture of an ocean in the book that we looked at yesterday, and those are called transverse waves. Okay, and light also travels in these transverse waves. Okay, we're working on sound right now, and sound travels in compression waves. Compression waves are also called longitudinal waves. You probably remember that from the video with the slinky that demonstrated how the compression waves push together and pull apart. Okay. The next really important word then is vibrations. Vibrations are the back and forth movements of objects. Okay, so we're going to start with our first activity, and that one is called the Clucking Cup. Okay, so for this project, you need a cup, a paperclip. I'm using a big one. You could try using a small one. And I'm using a piece of string. This one's yarn, in fact. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to tie the yarn around the paperclip. Okay. There we go. So that string's around the paperclip. I tied it towards the middle. Okay, the next thing you need is a cup. And you're going to need help with this part depending on what type of disposable cup you're using. If you're using a plastic one, you're going to probably need some adult help to get a hole in the bottom of it. So I already made the hole in mine. If you've got a paper cup, you could try it with that, and you can probably do that one on your own. But again, you'll want to get help, especially if it is if it's a plastic cup. So you're going to then take your paper clip and push it through the bottom of the cup. I'm going to push and pull. There we go. Okay, so now it's through. And then I'm going to pull it back to the bottom. I'm going to move that string back to the middle. Oh, here, let me show you. That string is back to the middle, and then I'm going to pull it down into the cup so that it's tight like this. Okay, you can see how the paper clip is in the bottom. Okay, and the string is around it, and the rest of the string's hanging out from the bottom. So there's what it looks like from this side. So the next thing, you're ready to make your clucking cup work, and I may put my water all the way over here. So it works best if you wet your fingers a little bit. And basically, you pull on the string. And I didn't wet. This is what it sounds like without wetting my fingers. Okay, so that's why I'm going to wet my fingers just a little bit. I'll let that string down, and let's see if it works. Hey, sounds like those chickens are ready for some mealworms. Okay, that's our first activity today, the clucking cup.